All right guys, so yesterday I started to do the ceiling for the van and I ran out of slats. So today we're gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff for this part of the ceiling and the rest of the stuff for all the way up here. It is looking really good. We got the lights in, AC in, and I also am gonna build a nice frame that will go around the air conditioner, so stay tuned. So I'm on my way to Home Depot to get some more wooden slats for the ceiling. These are like really high-end pieces of pine, and I spent a lot more than what I thought I was gonna spend. So far, just on this piece here, I've spent about 375 bucks. I don't think I'm gonna need much more, maybe like 10 pieces, but they are $12 a pop. So I'll check back in with you guys when I get to Home Depot. All right, so I'm here at Home Depot in this section, and these little bastards are 12 bucks a pop. So let's grab a few of them. All right, so we got all of our pieces and some of these Allen wrenches. Let's go pay. All right, so that was 95 bucks. Not too bad. That should give me enough to completely finish up the ceiling. So let's get over to the warehouse and finish this up. Gonna need to pump some gas soon. All right, let's head over to the warehouse. All right guys, so I'm back here at the warehouse, and this part here is what we need to do for the ceiling. Yesterday I went ahead and installed the Max Air Fan, which works amazing. So today I'm gonna go ahead and insulate it and then start installing the slats. So let's go. All right guys, so after hours of work, I finally got the ceiling installed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the cover of the fan. I need to paint it black, and then I'm gonna put a piece of trim right there, and then I'm gonna put a piece of trim around the AC, but it's looking pretty good. So this is what I was able to get done today. I got the Max Air Fan cover painted black and installed. And then I also went ahead and built this nice little trim for the air conditioner because I didn't like the one that it came with originally. And it looks really nice. I just got to put a piece of trim there to finish off that seam, and then build this side of the ceiling, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Really happy with the way that it looks. So it's been 10 days since I got the van, and for a small recap, we got the ceiling almost completely installed. We got the 12-volt AC installed, all the lights, Max Air Fan, and we've also done a lot of work with the electrical system. We've put our Link distributor in, our AC fuse panel, our Orion DC to DC charger, and our Solar Rover controller. We also have our battery monitor installed over here, and our inverter charger, which is behind here, inside of there. Finally driving home after a long day, and look at how beautiful this ceiling looks. It's not completely finished, but it's looking really nice. I built a nice trim piece for around the air conditioner, so I'm really happy at the way it's turning out, but it's time to go home. I'm hungry, and yeah. Guys, so I finally just got home. Now it's time to take a shower and drink a beer.